Imagine a world where food quality is guaranteed by precision heating. Muffle furnaces are the unsung heroes in food manufacturing, ensuring contamination-free processes. Let's uncover why they're indispensable in maintaining food safety and quality. Indirect heating is the secret sauce of muffle furnaces. By avoiding direct contact, they ensure that food samples remain uncontaminated. This method is crucial for maintaining the integrity of food products during testing. Peek inside a muffle furnace and you'll find a robust structure. The outer casing, insulated chamber, and heating elements work in harmony to create a controlled environment. This design is key to achieving uniform heating. The temperature control unit is the brain of the furnace. It ensures precision by maintaining the desired temperature, crucial for consistent results. This control is vital for processes that demand accuracy and reliability. Muffle furnaces play a pivotal role in ash content determination and nutritional value checks. By burning off organic material, they provide accurate measurements essential for quality assurance in food manufacturing. In gravimetric analysis and ignition testing, muffle furnaces are indispensable. They ensure product quality and safety by providing precise and repeatable results, making them a cornerstone in the food industry. Safety is paramount when operating muffle furnaces. Always wear protective gear and ensure proper ventilation. These precautions, along with regular maintenance, guarantee long-term reliability and safe operation. The advantages of muffle furnaces are clear: clean heating, no contamination, and precise control. By mastering their use, you'll enhance product quality and safety. Let's embrace this technology for a safer, more efficient future. And with that, we come to the end of today's discussion. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to subscribe, and feel free to reach out with any topics you'd like us to explore in future videos. You can also visit our website or other social media platforms for professional updates. The links are provided in the description below. Until next time, this is Grow Yo Learning signing off.